Hi everyone, go ahead and open Module 8 Pizza Profits on page 226. In this one, Pete's Perfect Pizzas, we have for the year, January through December, our sales that was made for Pete's Perfect Pizza, the payroll that's paid out, rent, insurance, utilities, purchases, deliveries, the delivery cost, and then the profits. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll calculate the delivery cost. So click in I-5, and the number of deliveries is going to be multiplied by the delivery fee, which is $7 in B20. So the formula is equals, I'm just going to press the left arrow, which is H5 times B20, the $7. Now remember, in order for each of the number of deliveries, the 126, the 124, the 108 to be times $7, that B20, it has to be absolute cell reference. So press the F4 button so you have the $sign for the B and the $sign in front of the 20. Check, and then go ahead and fill handle. Now the profits, that one is to take your sales, and then you're going to subtract all of the expenses, the payroll, the rent, insurance, utilities, purchases, skipping number of deliveries, the delivery cost. So the formula is equals, select the sales, press minus, type sum, parentheses, select the payroll, rent, insurance, utilities, and purchases, and then to get to delivery cost, let go, hold control, and click I-5. So you should see in the formula equals B5, the sales, minus the sum of all of your expenses, the payroll, rent, insurance, utilities, purchases, and comma, delivery cost. And then I actually don't even have to type the closing parentheses. When I press enter, Excel will put it in for me, and I'll just say yes. And there's our profits. And again, use your fill handle or drag it down to show all your profits. Now what we'll do is work with the statistical information. So click in B21. To find the highest profit, again, the range is going to be from column J. Click the down arrow next to auto sum, choose maximum, which is the same as highest, and select your range, J5 to J16. Enter. The maximum was $36,093. Now let's find the smallest profit. Again, the down arrow, minimum, select your range, enter. And then the average monthly profit. So to find the average monthly profit, again, the down arrow, average, select J5 through J6, and enter. Select J5 through J16 and choose conditional formatting, data bars, and choose the solid blue. Then what we'll do next, in order to prepare for sorting and filtering, select the table range A4 through J16, choose Format as Table, and again select any color style you'd like. It'll ask you the range A4 through J16, which is perfect. My total has headers, make sure there's a check mark there, and click OK. And then in here also click total, so we'll do a total row. And the first total that I see, it's showing up with the hashtag, so I'm just going to double click up in the boundary so I can see all of it, and then click in that J17, and I'm going to continue the totals of all of them, so just drag it to the left. And if you have any other hashtags, just double click to increase the size. So now what we'll do is we'll actually sort the table by profits. So if you click the down arrow for profits, and we're going to choose largest to smallest. So the largest amount is first. Select A21 through B24, and if you'd like to choose a shading color of your choice, and then maybe choose, also choose borders. So there's borders, all borders. So it's around the entire information, the statistical information. Well, let's see how it'll look to print out. So I'm going to change this to purple so it matches the rest. There. And so File, Print. As you can see, it's in Portrait, which is the default for Excel, but it's missing part of the table. If I click down here, page 1 of page 2, and see what's on page 2, what I'll probably do is change the orientation to Landscape to see if it fits more. I still have a little bit on page 2. To get it to all fit on page 1, I'll scroll down and choose No Scaling and choose Fit Sheet on one page. That way it all fits on one page. And if you wanted to, you could go into Page Setup, choose Margins, center it horizontally and vertically, header, footer, custom. Remember in the left-hand side, your name. And then OK, go into footer, and on the left-hand side, file name, on the right-hand side, date. OK, OK. Perfect. Save and submit. Thank you.